Okay, guys, welcome. This is Cash Boy FX once more. Okay, in this video, I'm just gonna be teaching you how to trade crash and boom like a pro. Okay, so I'm currently logged into my demo account. Okay, now basically this is on PC. Okay, so for those that doesn't have PC, you can apply the same method on phone. Okay, so now this is very simple. This is the first thing you want to see when you come to Crash 500. Okay, so chat window. Okay, you select candlesticks. Okay, so I'm just going to be teaching you something very simple uh, in trading crash, but this basically you are going to be using from the 1 hour time frame or the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so you're going to exercise a lot of patience. So I'll just load a template so that it can be easy for me. Okay, so basically let's say I'm gonna be using this template. Okay, so what you can see here, this red is showing a downward trend, the blue means an upward trend. Okay, so basically let's say this is actually a free indicator PZA trend, so I'll just remove it so you for better understanding. Okay, so basically this is what you want to see, just an empty chart. So the first thing you do, uh, you just add some indicators. Okay, so we'll just put a moving average. Okay, we'll add a moving average. Okay, moving average. Okay, so let's put the 200 moving average. 200. The method is exponential, shift is 0, apply to close. So I'll just choose color white. Okay, and then we'll add another moving average. Okay, moving average 50. Okay, method is simple. Okay, moving simple, apply to close. We could go for color red. Okay, and then we can have another moving average 13. Okay, or 14, simple, close. We can choose the color purple. Okay, so now basically on your 1 hour time frame, you know, here of course is your resistance and this is your support, right? So now the 200 moving average helps you when the 200 moving average is below the candles, it means it's on an upward trend, and when it's above, it's a downward trend. So here you can see it's downward, and then from here you can see that it's on an upward trend. Okay, so how do you pick your trade? Now when the purple, okay, the 30 moving average crosses over the red moving average, is an upward trend. Okay, and when the purple crosses over below the red, it's a downward trend. So the same applies. Okay, you can see this is a downward trend, this is an upward trend. So usually on crash you pick your buys, right? So you just wait for it to hit to hit resistance. Okay, sorry, to hit support. Okay, once it hits support, you wait for it to cross here. Okay, you wait for the moving average to cross the red, the purple, and then you pick your buy. Okay, you can take your buy, ride your buy down to this place. Okay, until either it hits the resistance. Okay, and then of course when you hit the resistance you take a sell. All right, so support you take a buy, resistance you take a sell. So this is basically one of the fastest way of trading crash, and same applies to boom, but this is basically for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it helps you to basically know when to enter your trade. So when you want to pick a sell, of course you wait for the red to cross over. Okay, once the red crosses over, you can enter your sell and write it down. Okay, all right, you write it down and wait for it to hit resistance. So the thing is, so far as this is a sell, of course if you don't take even more than one candles, you write this sell down, okay, to where it crosses over, then you can exit. By then you've gotten a lot of pips. Okay, but we just know that when it's above, it's a sell, when the purple is above is a buy, and when the red is above is a sell. So this is a technique called moving average crossover. Okay, so the 200 moving average enables you to see the trend upward. Why? If it's upward or downward. Why? The crossovers tells you when to buy. The purple crossover is a buy, the red crossover is a sell. So this is basically for the longer time. This is basically for the long okay, the longer trades. Okay, so maybe you want to add your MACD. Okay, so maybe your MACD, you can fast EMA 12, MACD SMA 9, slow EMA 26. Okay, so maybe you will just put 797. Okay, 79. Okay, 7. Okay, 797 for your MACD. Okay, so I think it's loading. It's loading. Okay, alright. MACD. Okay, get to appear. Okay, okay, the MACD. Okay, so my MACD is not coming up. MACD is not coming up. 797. Okay, MACD. Okay, so basically, if you are used to MACD, okay, the certain is 797. So when the MACD is an upward trend, it still signifies a buy. If it's downward, it's facing downward, it's still a sell. So basically, that is what MACDs are all about. Okay, so MACD simply means moving average divergence. Okay, so MACD still works with the moving averages. So this is just it for longer trades. It also works, you can use it on the 30-minute time frames too. Okay, the 30 minutes is the same thing. Okay, so that is what I have for you for now, and I believe that you grabbed something. So I'm going to introduce you to my special indicator that works perfectly for this. Okay, my special indicator. So this is, if you need this, you are going to send me a message. Okay, you're going to send me a message, and then we'll be able to do something meaningful from there. Okay, so basically now my indicators are very simple. Okay, they tell you when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so this helps with the support and resistance, so you can see. Alright, this is support and this is resistance. Okay, so this is one of what I do. Okay, I'll just take it back to volatility 75. Okay, so it's already here. It works for both volatility 75 and crash and boom. So this is the arrow. This says a buy, it says sell. This is a downward trend. Okay, so it's yet to, this is an untested resistance, it's yet to touch it. So if you have this, all you just do, you enter your buy here. Okay, you enter your sell here, you write it down to the arrow is here, take it to your buy, you write it down to your sell. Okay, and of course this is the trend line. Okay, so this is especially easy, very easy. This is an upward trend. You pick your buy here, you write down your sell here. So you just follow the arrows, it tells you when to buy and when to sell. So this is an upward trend, you can see. Okay, upward. Okay, tells you should buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here. So by now you have collected a lot of pips, and this is for basically for the support and resistance. So this is price action coupled with technical analysis to bring you the best. Okay, so this is basically how it works. So if you need this wonderful indicator, you are going to chat me and I'll be able to explain, okay, how you can get it, how we have projected programmed it to suit your trading needs. So with this, you don't need stress. You just have to apply it the way we tell you, and before you know, you